Hi, this is Sarah Mikesell with 5M, and today we're here with Tom Nicholson. He is the president and CEO of Passport Food Safety Solutions. So thanks for being with us today, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah. Glad to be here.
So tell me a little bit about Passport.
Well, Sarah, I think it's important when we start talking about food safety, it's important, I think, to recognize that food safety is a high priority for everybody involved in the meat protein industry. And we've literally spent tens of billions of dollars within the industry to try to address that issue.
Right.
But despite that, we still have recalls, we still have outbreaks from time to time. And when that happens, it not only affects the company that's directly involved, but it affects over time, it erodes the consumer confidence in the safety of our food supply. So Passport Food Safety Solutions, we think we have a unique business model that is focused solely on food safety and bringing new food safety technology and new solutions to that marketplace. It's really focused on three different platforms. The first is building out a broad portfolio of products and technologies. And when we think of food safety, we recognize that it's not just a single intervention. There's no silver bullet that will affect and solve our problems. We need to have a systematic approach to food safety. And that starts at the production side, whether it be the feedlot or the barn, works into the processing plant and even through further processing. And we're looking at interventions and steps along the way to reduce those foodborne pathogens all the way through that process. So our goal within Passport as that first platform is to really have technologies within each of those spaces to be able to reduce those pathogens at each step of the process. Our second platform is around a system we call Fast Track Analytics. And that is the idea of taking data that exists within plants, within the environment, and trying to understand what are the factors that really contribute to foodborne pathogens in the plant. And it's a predictive modeling tool. It's unique software, proprietary software that we've licensed that helps us understand what are the factors that really contribute to potential problems within the plant, and then being able to use our prescriptive solutions, our expertise within that area to help stakeholders, plants, and processors help understand and take action to mitigate that risk before it ever shows up. So that's the second part. The third is around new innovation, recognizing that there's new government regulations, increased pressure from consumer groups, from food service and retail locations on people that are involved in the production of the food supply. And so the only way to really address those higher standards is around new innovation. And so we're committed to working with strategic partners and industry stakeholders to develop new innovation to help meet those new requirements.
Very good. And just learning about the industry as I have, these companies are looking for innovation, right? I mean, the industry is looking for food safety innovations, and this is a great platform for that, I would think.
That's correct, Sarah. I mean, I think when we talk to industry experts and thought leaders within the industry, they recognize that the long-term solution to this is around new innovation. So we're committed to developing and investing resources to develop new innovation and working with customers, working with stakeholders within the industry, and identifying strategic partners to bring new solutions, new technologies to that market.
Very good. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Tom.
Thank you, Sarah.
This is Sarah Mikesell with 5M.